Here's how to fix mobile data if it's on, but it's not working on Android. Now, if you're not connected to a Wi-Fi signal and you're trying to use your mobile data, but it's just not working, I'm going to show you some steps to definitely get it fixed. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we need to do is swipe down from the top right. And we will make sure we're not connected to the Wi-Fi. So I'm going to disconnect from Wi-Fi. And you'll be able to see at the top right, you're going to look at those bars to see if you have a good enough signal. And right next to it, it's fairly hard to see, but it says 5G, indicating that I have 5G signal. Now, if basically you go through this process and it doesn't work, let's head into your settings just by swiping up and going to settings. Now, from settings, you can see at the very top is connections. So tap on connections. And you'll be able to see midway down is mobile networks. Let's tap on that. You want to make sure data roaming is turned on, as well as your eSIM for your LTE or 5G, whatever data you have, are turned on. You also want to go back here and tap on data usage, because there are a couple different things on here that could be preventing you from using that mobile data. Of course, mobile data here should be turned on, so if that is off, just toggle it on. As well as you can see under here a couple different things. You can see mobile data usage. If I go in here, I can tap on the settings and I can set a data limit either for each individual app or entirely. Keep in mind on here, you want to make sure there isn't a daily limit or an app limit on your data usage. So make sure just to turn those off. Now, the next thing we'll do is we will hop out of here and you can see allowed networks for apps. Tap on that and you can see a bunch of different ones. All of these should say mobile data or Wi-Fi. If there's a specific one that you're trying to use, but you're not able to use it, for instance, maps, if it just says Wi-Fi only on here, of course, you can't use that mobile data for that specific app. So just switch it to mobile data or Wi-Fi. Now, the next thing that we will do is we will hop all the way back out here. And you can see if I go back to the home screen, I'll swipe down from the top right. And I'm going to turn on airplane mode. So this will disconnect from your current mobile network, your cell tower or wherever it is, it will disconnect from it. And then let's just turn this off and it will reconnect to everything. And a lot of times this refreshes everything and fixes or helps to fix any kind of issues. The last step that you can take is tap on the little power button at the top right, and then just choose to restart your phone. By going through the process of restarting your phone, again, a lot of times this fixes any bugs or glitches on your phone. If you're still having issues, I would recommend just trying somewhere else. It sounds simple, but if you're inside, try going outside or try going somewhere else and seeing if you just get a better signal somewhere else. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.